For homeowners in Mesa, maintaining a home in a hot, dry climate can be a challenge. Constant sun exposure, dust, and temperature fluctuations can take a toll on many building materials, especially windows. That's why more homeowners are choosing vinyl windows. Known for their durability and ease of care, vinyl windows offer a low-maintenance solution that keeps your home looking great and performing well with minimal effort. One of the biggest reasons vinyl windows require so little maintenance is the material itself. Unlike wood, which can warp, crack, or rot over time, vinyl is highly resistant to the elements. Mesa's intense sunlight can cause some materials to fade or deteriorate, but vinyl is designed to withstand UV exposure without peeling or chipping. This means you won't need to repaint or refinish your windows to keep them looking new. Another advantage is how vinyl handles temperature changes. In Mesa, where temperatures can rise significantly during the day and cool down at night, materials often expand and contract. This can lead to gaps or warping in lower quality windows. Vinyl, however, maintains its shape and structure, ensuring a consistent fit within the frame. This stability not only reduces maintenance but also helps maintain energy efficiency over time. Cleaning vinyl windows is also simple and convenient. The smooth surface doesn't easily trap dirt, dust, or debris, which is especially important in a desert environment like Mesa. A quick wipe with mild soap and water is usually all it takes to keep them clean. There's no need for special treatments or harsh chemicals, making routine upkeep fast and hassle-free. Vinyl windows are also resistant to moisture, which adds another layer of durability. While Mesa is known for its dry climate, occasional rain or humidity can still affect certain materials. Wood frames, for example, may absorb moisture and require sealing or repairs. Vinyl does not absorb water, so it won't swell, rot, or develop mold. This resistance helps maintain both the appearance and integrity of your windows. Another factor that contributes to low maintenance is the strength of modern vinyl window construction. These windows are built with durable frames and reliable hardware that are designed to last. Tracks, locks, and hinges are engineered for smooth operation, reducing the likelihood of mechanical issues. With occasional cleaning and basic care, vinyl windows continue to function properly without frequent repairs. Energy efficiency also plays a role in reducing maintenance needs. Vinyl windows are often designed with insulated frames and multi-pane glass, which help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing heat transfer, they help keep your home cooler in the summer. This consistent performance reduces stress on your HVAC system and minimizes the need for adjustments or repairs caused by temperature fluctuations. Another benefit is that vinyl windows do not require painting or staining. Traditional materials often need regular refinishing to maintain their appearance, but vinyl retains its color over time. This saves homeowners both time and money, as there's no need for ongoing cosmetic upkeep. Pest resistance is another advantage that Mesa homeowners appreciate. Unlike wood, vinyl does not attract insects such as termites. This eliminates the need for treatments or repairs related to pest damage, further reducing maintenance responsibilities. Vinyl windows also help maintain a cleaner indoor environment. Because they create a tight seal, they prevent dust and outdoor particles from entering your home. In a desert climate where dust can be a constant issue, this feature helps keep your living space cleaner with less effort. Of course, proper installation is key to maximizing these benefits. Professionally installed vinyl windows ensure a secure fit, proper sealing, and smooth operation. This prevents issues like air leaks or misalignment, which could otherwise lead to additional maintenance. In the end, vinyl windows are a low-maintenance choice for Mesa homeowners because they are built to handle the local climate while requiring minimal upkeep. From resisting sun damage and moisture to offering easy cleaning and long-lasting performance, they provide a practical solution for busy homeowners. By choosing vinyl windows, you can enjoy a comfortable, efficient home without the constant maintenance that other materials often require.